Every day, this facility in Washington, D.C. prints the currency that power the nation.
Identity confirmed. Manifest clear. You are cleared to enter.
Roger that. Undercarriage secure. Moving to the next vehicle. Roll 53 Alpha secured on track.
Confirmed. Data logged and verified. Proceed. Look at the flow rate on screen 3. It's fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters.
I see it. Let's adjust the pressure valve. The system automatically scans for imperfections, ensuring every note meets the strict quality standards of the U.S. Treasury.
Control, Unit 4. All systems green. Transfer proceeding as scheduled.
Keep the line moving, gentlemen. Ensure the seals are intact before closing. All clear to secure the bay.
Gates open. Spike retracted.
Sierra 1, rolling now. All clear on the west side.
Copy that. Moving to position.
Verification complete. Open the main gate.
Gate opening now. Convoy, you are cleared through the Sally port.
Security seal verified. Scanning complete. Data uploaded in real time. All tags applied and sealed, Supervisor. Confirmed. Moving to staging.
Driver credentials and manifest verified. Seals checkout.
Confirmed.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the access road. Your destination is on the left.
Manifest and identification for verification. Confirmed. Seals are intact. Sign here for receipt. Acknowledged.
The count matches the manifest.
Confirmed. Ready for deposit.
Okay, $60. Here is your $7.50 change and your receipt.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Here is your change, $23.50. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Here is your receipt and your bag. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a good one. Your change is $7.50.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, that's $12 exactly.
Thank you. Perfect. These look wonderful.
All right, confirmed. 30,000 exactly. We appreciate your business.
Thank you. The car is beautiful.
23 US dollars. Thank you. Here is your key card and receipt. Enjoy your stay.
There you go. The count matches. Here is your invoice. Have a great day.
Here is your new timepiece, ma'am. Thank you for shopping with us.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Everything is in order. $2,500 deposited. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a good day. The current volume is steady at 10,000 notes per minute. Confirmed. All data points are within tolerance. From the presses of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing to banks across the nation, and finally, secure destruction.
US dollar bills circulate through millions of transactions every day, powering businesses and communities across the country.
That comes to $12.
Sure, here you go.
It's great to see the support for local businesses.
Here you go, keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good one.
The microprinting confirms authenticity, and the color-shifting ink reacts perfectly to the infrared scan. See this anomaly in the cross-hatching magnification. It's subtle, but the pattern deviates from the authentic template.
Look at the detail on that shift.
Yes, the copper-green transition is flawless on this one.
See how the bells shift independently from the numeral 100 at this angle?
Confirmed. The three-dimensional effect is consistent with genuine currency.
See how the ink bleeds slightly on the right side. Confirmed. The security thread reaction is completely incorrect under the UV spectrum.
The watermark registration is perfect, but look at the microprinting around the portrait.
Confirmed. The AI is flagging the ink texture inconsistency on the security thread.
Note the intricate details. The blue 3D security ribbon, the embedded thread, and the microprinting along the collar.
Sierra 1, perimeter check complete. All systems nominal.
Copy that. Maintain patrol.